Hi guys, this is Peter from Discovery Adventures. This video is about the installation of an auxiliary battery on a Discovery 3 2005 2.7 diesel. We've got the main battery housing here, and we've run a 6 AWG cable from the positive terminal on the battery up to a 12 volt 100 amp isolator switch onto the back of the bulkhead. These are handy that if you should develop a short and it trips, once you've rectified the fault you can easily reset these and there's no fuse to replace. Also, if you need to work on batteries independently or isolate them, it's just a case of pressing the switch, then they're isolated, click down, and now both batteries are connected again. We've run the cable through along the back of the bulkhead into the auxiliary battery housing. We've got the auxiliary battery mounted here next to the ABS system and brake reservoir, and because it's got a T-Max system installed, we've got the solenoid mounted there onto the back of the battery box. We've run the cables through onto the left hand side of the battery there, through the bulkhead internally on the car. Also down in the bottom there, you can't really see them, but there is an inline fuse, again 100 amps, on the auxiliary battery supply. Again, I may well put an isolator switch in here as well. Going round to the interior of the car now, as this is work in progress. I've only temporarily mounted the T-Max display there. Once I've decided on the most suitable location, I'll mount that one where it's visible but not in the way. Going round to the back of the vehicle, I've mounted my auxiliary sockets in the rear near side quarter panel. We've got the 12 volt supply there from the main battery, which is the standard installation. We've then got a 12 volt supply there from the auxiliary battery, and then further back I've mounted a twin 12 volt USB charging point off the auxiliary battery. Now you can mount additional adapters there to suit your needs, and as many as you require. What I've also done is put a 12 volt voltage meter in, just so I can monitor the battery from the back, and I've fitted that one up with a separate isolator switch. Now I've run the cables on the vehicle from the front, under the carpets through the bulkhead to the rear seats, and then I've cut across the vehicle and come up to the panel here with the power supply. Now I've used a 10 AWG cable. You can use, and it's probably better to use a heavier one, but I'm only doing low amperage draw. I'm not intending to run anything with a high draw on it, but if you do, then you want to look at something closer to the 6 AWG or 8 AWG cable. What I've done is I've mounted a dedicated fuse box in the cubby hole where the detachable battery mount, where the detachable tow hitch would normally be mounted. That one's there, say, totally dedicated to the supply. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. If you are happy with the video, please press the like button and subscribe for future videos. Thank you very much.